At first, Samsung gave us the frame, and we saw that it was good. Now, Samsung has given us the music frame, and our ears have rejoiced, because it is good as well. So what is this thing, this frame amongst frames? Well, it's a music playing device, but it's also much, much more than that. A small, wall-mountable solution for wireless audio from all the usual sources. This one, however, looks just like any framed picture you would display in your home. And just like those frames you already have, any picture you can print can be placed inside. Display it on any surface with the included stand, it gets power through a small, translucent-looking cable. For the most seamless solution, the cable can be run inside of the walls to become truly invisible. So for audio, well, for our kickoff, it is Wi-Fi enabled, so all of your Spotify Connect and Apple AirPlay and the like will work. For everything else, there's of course Bluetooth. And then we get to the really exciting stuff. Q-Symphony, Samsung's own protocol for connecting the music frame to Samsung's TVs and soundbars to work as stereo pairs or surrounds. This gives you all the benefits of speakers all over your room without you having to see a single one. If you do happen to look around, you will see that this one is finished in a satin exterior, and the center of it has a gloss matte, which makes your pictures look fantastic. And Samsung will offer other styles as well. It truly does look very, very good. But all this doesn't matter too much if it sounds like a tin can on the end of a string. And when you pick it up, you can tell that it isn't one. It has heft, owing to the 6 discrete drivers inside. For not being a visible speaker, the music frame is a very pretty piece of hardware. Sure, with it being slightly thicker than a more traditional picture frame and the wire coming out of the back, it might give itself away while standing alone. But amongst its kind, it blends in, disappears. That is, until you hear it. We have gotten to a point in audio engineering where making a thin, hangable speaker doesn't mean you have to sacrifice body while listening. Waveguides channeling sound around the inner frame keep the high end clear and articulate, and the 2 drivers pushing the low end make their presence known. Everything I played through it, podcasts, music, streaming movie audio to it from another device, always had me looking over at it just sitting there on my sideboard, because I could not believe the sound that it was producing. And in looking at it, you start to realize that maybe this is a way into the future of the connected home. As more and more manufacturers make items that are supposed to sit out on their own, with graceful flowing lines, soft touch materials, and multiple colorways, all engineered to make a statement, perhaps the music frame makes the greatest statement of them all. This frame, I think, represents the speakers of tomorrow, because it looks just like what's in your home today.